So here we proceed to the third stage, that is the Neolithic age or New Stone Age. Neo means new. This was an extremely important period in the history as several very important discoveries and inventions were made in this period. These discoveries brought a great change in the lives of human beings. So let us see what this age says us. Okay, it is said that so many discoveries and inventions were made during this period. You can see the most useful tools at that time. Okay, and what are the discoveries? Let's see. Life in the New Stone Age. So first one is the agriculture. As humans wandered from one place to another in search of food, they realized that some seeds like wild wheat can be eaten. They also found that some seeds that fell on moist ground grew into plants. They realized that they could gather the seeds and plant them. The seeds would grow into plants and produce same fruits and grains. Seeds that useful for food for many people. This was a great discovery. Because of the discovery, early humans no longer remained food gatherers, they became food producers. So what we know that first they what cultivated first? Okay, the first one is wheat seeds. Okay, so what they did, they found that it is if the seeds are planted in moist moist ground, okay, then what happened, not a very dry ground, okay, it has to be moist with water, then the seeds grow up to a plant and it gives us the food. Okay, so they are no longer food gatherers, now they have become the food producers. Now people began to grow food they wanted to eat. They began to lead a settled life. This brought changes in their food habits also. Okay, then comes the domestication of animals. We know that they have domesticated only cows to guard their houses or to help them. But secondly, they started to domesticate animals like cattle, sheep, goat, cows, because it gave them milk, wool and meat also. How? Because they get so many things from the animals also. The wool and skin of animals they used to cloth in the winter season. And the most important invention is the invention of the wheel. Okay, how it helped them? The most important invention of this age is the wheel. This invention of the wheel made life more easier for humans. Now carts could be used to transport both goods and humans. So they can place goods means things, okay, suppose the things they use or suppose the food items, okay, ट्रांसपोर्ट करना मीन्स इधर से उधर ले जाना आसान हो गया बाय द इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील्स. सो पीपल ऑल्सो कैन गो फ्रॉम हियर टू वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. द व्हील वॉज ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग पॉटरी for different types. You know the pottery, you have seen pottery with clay. You know that the clay items are made which are used to make some pots and something like that to produce various items. Then what happened? After they have early humans built their huts along the river banks, we notice that if there is plenty of water, no, it helps them to grow food, they eat, they can drink also. So they started to live near the rivers.